Happy birthday!
Open up your card. Open it up.
Open up the card, buddy.
No, like that.
What is that? Mickey Mouse and who else?
Dora.
Dora. Who else?
Mama.
Elmo.
That.
Missy made that for
That's-
you.
Caillou.
Caillou.
Who's this? Who's this one? Smurfs.
Yay! Say thank you, Missy.
Say, it's a pop-up
Melissa.
birthday cake. Caroline, where's the candles? Do you see the candles?
Where's the candles on the cake?
No, on the
here,
cake.
On the cake. Where's the candles?
Show me the candles.
They want the best.
They look great.
Yeah.
Where's the other one? Where's the other one?
Here's the other one.
Two candles, because
Yay.
why? Who's two today? You, yay!
That's Caillou. Yeah, he's
Caillou's wearing a hat.
Say thank you for the... Did Missy do a good job on your card?
Is that a cool
Very
card?
nice, huh?
You want to hold it? Hey, we're going to save that, though, because
Yeah.
that looks really cool.
That's awesome.
Caroline, what do you say to Missy Bubble Squash?
It can be flat.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Caroline, look.
I was already doing
Caroline.
this. I couldn't cut that
It's
out to
fine.
make the top
Caroline.
out. So I had to do another
Where's Daddy?
size and made it stronger.
Hi, buddy. Hey, Caroline, who went potty? Me. Is that your candy for going potty?
You gonna share it? Can I have some?